about marks distribution. Let's recap about it, relations and functions. Okay, so maximum marks asked 22 in a year, and that year was 2016, and minimum was 7 marks. So this is the average marks distribution. Okay, so we discussed few questions solution. Now let's start, resume our discussion from this question. So what is this? We have to prove that tan inverse x square plus cot inverse x whole square equal to 5 pi square by 8. This is given. Okay, then we have to find out the value of x. What is the value of x if this is given? Okay. Now, what is how to solve this equation to find out the value of x? This is our problem. Okay. Now, now let's assume that where this comes. This is a square plus b square. Okay. Now we can write. Suppose it is a square plus b square given. Okay. So what we can do? We can do like this. We can write plus 2ab and we can write minus 2ab. Now if we write plus 2ab minus 2ab, then this becomes what? A plus b whole square, and this is minus 2ab. So here what is happening? This is, suppose this is a, this is b. Okay. So I have written this as a plus b whole square minus 2ab, similar to this, correct? Now we know that tan inverse x plus cot inverse x, this is equal to pi by 2. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x pi by 2, when x is in the range minus pi by 2 and plus pi by 2. So this is replaced directly by pi by 2 whole square, correct? Now we have 2 tan inverse x into cot inverse x. Now since tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to pi by 2, so we can write cot inverse x as pi by 2 minus tan inverse x. So this is cot inverse x is written as this cot inverse x is this 2 tan inverse x into cot inverse x. So cot inverse x is replaced by pi by 2 minus tan inverse x, correct? Now this is purely an equation where only one variable is there, that is tan inverse x. Here also we have tan inverse x, here also we have tan inverse x. So we have to find out the value of tan inverse x. Let us see. Now entire equation is converted in terms of tan inverse x. Others are numericals. So let us consider tan inverse x as u. Okay. So this is what? Pi square by 4 minus 2u. Let it be u. So then 2u pi by 2 minus u is equal to this is given. Now this is simply an equation where you have to find out the value of u. Okay. So 2u, 2 cancel out. Pi u by pi u minus pi u. This minus and this minus, it becomes plus u square. Okay, this is plus u 2u square. This is here. Now, okay, so now minus pi u is here, and pi square by 4 and minus 5 pi square by 4 minus 5 pi square by 4. This becomes how much? This becomes 3 pi square by 8. Okay. So 4 is our LCM. Pi square minus 5 pi square. So it is minus 3 pi square by 4. Acha, this is 5 pi square by 8 is then 8. So this becomes 3 pi square by 8. Now entire equation is a quadratic equation of u. Okay. So this is quadratic equation of u. Now from this equation we have to find out the value of u. So if we solve this equation by middle term factor, okay, so minus 8 pi u. So the coefficient of 16 and minus 3, if we multiply these two, it becomes minus 48. So minus 48 is take the LCM of 48, 16 and 3. So 2 2s are 4, 2 4 8, 2 12. Okay. So here minus 8u can be written as minus 12u plus 4u, correct? So this is middle term factor. Now we can solve this quadratic equation either this into this. Okay, so here u is equal to 4u equal to 3 pi. So u is 3 pi by 4. 4u plus pi equal to 0. So u is equal to minus pi by 4. Okay. Now in this range minus pi by 2, pi by 2, u cannot be equal to 3 pi by 4. Correct. So this value, we reject this value. So what we have? This is the only possible value of u. U equal to minus pi by 4. What is u? U is tan inverse x. So tan inverse x is equal to minus pi by 4. So x is equal to minus tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 means tan 45 degrees 1. So x is equal to minus 1. This is the value of x. Correct. Now let's solve this equation. Y is given as y equal to tan inverse root over 1 plus x square plus root over 1 minus x square by root over 1 plus x square minus root over 1 minus x square. And here it is given that the value of x square is always less than or equal to 1. Then find dy by dx, the first derivative of y. Differentiation of y you have to do. But before differentiating equation, this ratio of numerator to denominator is a complicated matter. So let us transform this ratio into a simplistic format. Okay. So here let us use the substitution method for transformation. Okay. Now if we put x equal to x square equal to cos theta, so what is the advantage? See, this is 1 plus cos square theta, x square is cos theta. So 1 plus cos theta root over 1 minus cos theta. Okay, this. Now we know that 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to cos square theta. This is the formula. Okay, so if instead of theta, if we have 1 plus cos theta, then we have cos square theta by 2, correct? So 1 plus cos theta is cos square theta by 2. Okay, 2 cos square theta by 2. So 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. So instead of 2 theta, if we have theta here, then it becomes 2 cos square theta by 2, correct? So 1 plus cos theta is written as 2 cos square theta by 2. So there is a square root, so root 2 cos theta by 2. And 1 minus cos 2 theta equal to how much? 2 sin square theta by 2. Sorry, 2 sin square theta. So instead of 2 theta, if we have theta only, so 1 minus cos theta equal to how much? Minus 2 sin square theta by 2. So 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. Okay. So entire equation root 2 cancel. So in the numerator we have cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2. This, okay. So if we divide all the term of this equation by sin theta by 2, okay, so cos theta by 2, then what is happening? This is becomes 1 sin theta by 2, cos theta by 2 is tan theta by 2. Okay, this cos theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 is 1 minus sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 is tan theta by 2. Okay, so now in each term of this ratio, numerator and denominator, is divided by cos theta by 2. Okay, so now this equation appears like tan inverse this. But what is 1? 1 is tan pi by 4, tan 45 degree. So this is tan 45 plus tan theta by 2. 1 minus tan theta by 2 is what? Tan theta by 2 into 1. So this can be written as tan 45 degree. 1 is tan 45 degree. So this is in the form of tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. So this is tan A plus B. This is the form of tan A plus B. Now tan inverse tan x is equal to tan cancel out. So this becomes pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Okay. So y is pi by 4 plus theta by 2. So if x square is cos theta, then what is theta? Theta is equal to cos inverse x square. Correct. So here I write this theta is again transformed in terms of x. So this y becomes pi by 4 plus cos inverse x square by 2. Now we can differentiate this equation, because this is in the left hand side we have y, and in the right hand side there is one term involving x. So if we differentiate this equation dy by dx, we know that cos inverse x is how much? Cos inverse x equal to cos inverse x square is equal to how much? This is equal to 1 by minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square whole square, means x to the power 4. Okay, so remember this is the formula. Let us remove some terms here so that I get some space here. Now here what I want to do, if suppose y equal to cos inverse x, so then what is the differentiation? Dy by dx is how much? The differentiation of cos inverse x is how much? Differentiation of cos inverse x is minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Okay, 1 minus x square. Now since it is cos inverse x square, so it becomes minus 1 by x square whole square, and since this is x square, so we have to again differentiate x square. So differentiation of x square is 2x. So this is what is written here, 2x. Correct. So entire term is 1 by 2 is there, and cos inverse x square is minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square whole square, means x to the power 4, and x square, differentiation of x square is 2x, again written. So entire thing is dy by dx is equal to how much? 2 to cancel out, minus x by root over 1 minus x to the power 4. This we have to find out the value of dy by dx. So this is the value of dy by dx. So in this equation what I have learnt, first of all this numerator by denominator is complicated. So by substitution method we transform this ratio. Okay, अभी एक बार ratio transform हो गया, बाकी तो it is just simplifying, because inside we have tan inverse. So we have converted entire thing in terms of tan A plus B. So then cancelling tan, and now we have written entire this big equation is now transformed to very simplistic format, that y equal to pi by 4 plus cos inverse x square by 2. Now differentiation is easy. From this step we have differentiated it. Correct. Now let us go to next question. Now this question was asked in 2016, 4 marks question. Okay, it is given that y equal to 4 sin theta by 2 plus cos theta minus theta, and this is an increasing function. We have to prove that this y equal to 4 4 sin theta by 2 plus cos theta minus theta is an increasing function in range 0 to pi by 2. Okay. Now what is increasing function? How to find out increasing function? Now, okay, to find out whether it is increasing or decreasing, we find the first derivative, means dy by d theta. Okay. So now if it is in the form of u by v, suppose this is equal to y in the form of u by v. So here u equal to 4 sin theta and v equal to 2 cos theta. Now we know that if y is in this form u by v, then dy by d theta is how much? V into differentiation of u minus v u into differentiation of v divided by v square. Okay. So when the expression is in the form of u by v, then denominator into differentiation of numerator minus numerator into differentiation of denominator by the denominator square. So let us check, and the second term is theta, so minus d theta by d theta is 1. So here 2 plus cos theta is v, u is 4 sin theta, so differentiation of sin theta is cos theta, 4 is the, okay. Similarly the u is 4 sin theta and differentiation of 2 plus cos theta is, differentiation of 2 is 0, cos theta differentiation is minus sin theta. So we know that differentiation of cos theta equal to minus sin theta. So anything which involves cos, like cos, cot, cosec, okay, whenever you differentiate it, it will be minus sign comes. Okay. So here we have written this and 2 plus cos theta whole square, correct? So dy by d theta, this is simply steps that is easily understandable. Abhi dy by d theta nikala. So now we have dy by d theta as this value. Okay. Now in the range 0 to pi by 4, what is the value of cos theta? We know that the value of cos is 0 to pi by 2. Na? Cos 0 is 0, 1 and cos pi by 2 is 0. So it is in this form between 1 and 0, correct? So cos theta in the range 0 to pi by 2, the value of cos graph is like this. So this is this value of this is the value of cos 0 is 1 and cos 90 is 0, correct? So if we plot this, so the cos theta in this range plus 1 and 0 के बीच में रहेगा. Okay. So dy by d theta. So therefore this equation dy by d theta, okay, in 0 to pi by 2, the cos theta value is in between 0 and 1. It is greater than 1, greater than or equal to 1, greater than or equal to 1, but less than or equal to 0, correct? So therefore dy by d theta is greater than 0, correct? This value will always be greater than 0, because cos theta cannot be greater than 1. Okay, so therefore it is 4 minus cos theta, okay, and cos theta is less than or equal to 1. So this ratio is all the time, and the denominator we have square, so there is no chance that it will be more than, okay, cos theta is more than 1. So it is not possible. That is why this entire function is equal to, okay, greater than or equal to 0. So hence y is, so if dy by d theta is greater than 0, then y is increasing function, correct? Now let us solve this equation. अभी इसमें, okay, this is the same equation, tan inverse x. Again this question was asked in 2015. Okay, so last time also we discussed it. This question repeat question ना 2016 4 मार्क्स के लिए पूछा गया था. अभी 2015 में भी सेम क्वेश्चन पूछा गया. ओके, सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, सेम थिंग you solve for Now this is a repeat question. So now let us solve this equation. Let n denote the set of all natural numbers. Okay, capital N is natural number set है. R be the relation n by n. Okay, defined AB the ordered pair relation to CD equal to, this relation is defined as if AD plus BC is equal to B plus C. B plus C becomes multiplication, and AD, which is multiplication, it becomes A plus B. So the relation is given that AD into B plus C is BC and A plus D. Okay. These ordered pairs AB and CD are related in such a way that if we do this type of operation, AD becomes A plus D and B plus C becomes BC. Okay, so this is the relation given. Then you have to show R is equivalence relation. So what is equivalence relation? It is reflexive, symmetric, transitive, then only it is equivalence. So all the properties should be satisfied. Okay, so let's start from there. So you have to show for equivalence relationship, this relation is reflexive. Okay, so this is already given. AB relation CD implies that AD BC. This is given. Okay, now now it is, this relation can be written as P plus C is there, so this can be written as BC A plus D. Okay, so let us do the reflexive property. Okay. Now AB B plus A is A plus B BA. Okay, or we can write AB A plus B is equal to AB A plus B, correct? So it means that it is reflexive. AB A plus B is nothing but AB A plus B. Okay, so what we have written, instead of what is written AD B plus C, so I have taken only in terms of A and B. C and D is replaced by A and B. Okay, so what is happening? AB A plus B becomes, okay, I have replaced D and C by AB, so automatically it becomes this relation. Okay, so R is reflexive. So what we have done, AD B plus C, AD B plus C equal to, this is given actually in the equation, A plus D. Now instead of C and D, let us use A and B. Okay, so what I have written, that this equation we can write as AB, okay, B plus A. So D is replaced by B, C is replaced by A. Okay, so this becomes what? B plus BA and A plus B, BA plus B. Okay, so or AB A plus B is nothing but AB A plus B, correct? So which is true, and hence this relation is reflexive relation. Now to prove symmetric relation, this is given ADB plus A. So now here ADB plus C is equal to BC A plus D. Now BC A plus D is nothing but ADB plus C, correct? BC A plus D is nothing but ADB plus C here. Okay. So now CBD plus A is nothing but DAC plus B, same logic. So CBD plus A is nothing but D plus A, C plus B. So now we can write at C plus B, na? So this becomes CD ordered pair and AB ordered pair. So it is nothing but CD relation AB. So therefore R is a symmetric relation, correct? Now to prove transitive. Now why we are doing reflexive, symmetric and transitive? Because we have to show it is a equivalence relation. Okay, let us take this. So AB relation CD and CD relation EF. Okay, so this is given. AB CD is nothing but AD B plus C, and B plus C is BC A plus D. Okay, so this is nothing but C is a C function, D plus E is equal to D of E C plus F. CF D plus E is equal to DE C plus F. Okay. This is from the relation given. So now B plus C by BC, so by AD. Okay, so if we take this part here, B plus C by BC, and AD here in this cross, in this side, so it becomes A plus D by AD. Similarly, this DE you take in this side, CF you take this side. Okay, so this is equal to BC by B by BC means 1 by C, C by C is, okay, C by C is, C by BC is 1 by B. Okay, divide A by AD is 1 by D, D by D is this. Similarly, this is also like this format. So now 1 by C minus 1 by D is equal to 1 by A minus this, you can take this side. Similarly, this is this relation, it becomes 1 by C minus 1 by D equal to 1 by E minus 1 by F, correct? So therefore, if you see that 1 by C minus 1 by D is this, here also 1 by C minus 1 by D is this. So these two are same. So 1 by A minus 1 by E is what? 1 by E minus 1 by F. Okay, and 1 by A plus 1 by F is equal to 1 by E plus 1 by B. So this is nothing but BA plus F equal to A F B plus C. So therefore AB relation EF is also true. Here we have proved that this is transitive. So the relation is reflexive, it is symmetric, it is transitive, hence it is equivalence, correct? So just transforming the given relation, whatever we have given ना, इसको हम कभी D के F के E के फॉर्मेट में लेके इसी रिलेशन को हम लोग बार बार ट्रांसफॉर्म करके ये तीनों प्रॉपर्टी प्रूव हो रहा दैट वी हैव शोन, करेक्ट? ये अच्छा क्वेश्चन है बिकॉज 4 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन है ये. नाउ दिस इज इवन इनवर्स सर्कुलर फंक्शन से आया ये क्वेश्चन. इट इज गिवन दैट tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to pi by 4. Okay, and given xy is less than 1, so then write the value of x plus y plus xy. Okay, very simple question. तो ये 1 मार्क का ही क्वेश्चन है इसलिए इतना सिंपल है. ओके, तो ये गिवन है मुझे, हमको ये निकालना है. ओके, तो tan inverse x plus tan inverse y pi by 4 this is given. Okay, so this is, we know that tan inverse A plus tan inverse B, इसका फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, is equal to tan inverse A plus B by 1 minus AB. So xy is x plus y by 1 minus xy, this is equal to pi by 4. So this is, and okay, if we take both side 10, okay, let us take tangent both side of this equation. So tan inverse 10, this cancelling out, so it becomes x plus y, and tan pi by 4 is how much? Tan 45, 45 is 1, so this becomes x plus y is equal to 1 minus xy, cross multiplication, so x plus y, this minus y comes here, so this becomes x plus y plus xy equal to 1. So this is this value, ये वैल्यू निकालना था हमको, तो x plus y plus xy is equal to 1, correct? So this is a एक 1 mark का question है, काफ़ी easy question. Now this equation, now it is given that a relation is defined in such a way that xy is such that x plus 2y equal to 8 is a relation on the natural number set. So then we have to find out the range, range of this relation. So how to find out? So let us, ये कितना मार्क्स का? 1 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन है, वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज तुमको ये रिलेशन दे दिया नेचुरल नंबर का, तो हम क्या करते हैं, सपोज नेचुरल नंबर में कोई भी एक सेट का वैल्यू ले देते हैं, इनिशियल 6 एलिमेंट्स ले रहे हैं हम लोग, ठीक है? तो मुझे दे दिया कि x प्लस वाई इस तरह से रिलेटेड है कि x प्लस 2y इज 8, तो इस सेट में ऐसा रिलेशन को सेटिस्फाई करने वाला नंबर कौन है? देखो 6 प्लस 1, 6 1 का जो सेट है, ये कैसे सेट है ना? 6 प्लस 2 इंटू 1 इक्वल टू हाउ मच? 8 हो रहा, 8 हो रहा, तो 6 1 ऑर्डर पेयर इन दिस नेचुरल नंबर सेट इसको सेटिस्फाई कर रहा, तो 6 1 इज 1 एलिमेंट. सिमिलरली अगर दूसरा एलिमेंट 1 to 6 के अंदर देखा जाए तो 4 2 इज ऑल्सो सेटिस्फाइंग दिस रिलेशन, बिकॉज 4 2 में क्या हो जाएगा, है ना? 4 plus 2 into 2 is also equal to 8, na? So 4 2 is satisfied. 2 3, so 2 3 is also satisfied because 2 plus 2 into 3 is equal to 8. तो 2 3 is also satisfied. तो मेरा जो इसमें ये ऑर्डर पेयर 6 1 4 2 and 2 3 are satisfied. तो इसमें से डोमेन कौन है? द फर्स्ट एलिमेंट्स आर डोमेन ना, 6 4 2 is domain, and range क्या है? 1, the second element of ordered pair, 1 2 and 3 are range. तो हमको निकालना क्या था? रेंज निकालना था. सो दिस इज द रेंज 1 2 3. सो ये एक रिलेशन था, राइट द रेंज ऑफ आर. सो 1 2 3 इज द रेंज ऑफ आर. अगर मैंने नेचुरल सेट में 1 2 3 4 5 6 लिया तो रेंज ऑफ आर इज 1 2 3. सिंपल क्वेश्चन विथ हमने एग्जाम्पल लेके इसको कर दिया. नाउ दिस क्वेश्चन, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x फॉर विच y इक्वल टू x इंटू x माइनस 2 होल स्क्वायर इज एन इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन. ओके, सो द रिलेशन y equal to y is function of x and given as this, so I have written it. Now we have differentiated it. So differentiate in this format. How we can differentiate this type of equation? Okay, so you know differentiation of u into v. Suppose y is equal to the multiplication of two function u v. So then what is dy by dx? First function into differentiation of second, plus second function into differentiation of first. Okay, so if two functions are in the product form, then the first derivative differentiation क्या होता है? First function into differentiation of second plus second function into differentiation of first. बट क्या है, इसमें होल स्क्वायर है. ठीक है, तो इसको हम क्या किए, सो लेट अस इसको थोड़ा सा सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं. एक मिनट, इसको हम क्या करते हैं, दिस इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर एक्स माइनस 2 का होल स्क्वायर. तो इसमें से इसको यू मान लेते हैं एक्स स्क्वायर को, और इसको हम मान लेते हैं भी. ठीक है, सो एंड दिस इज वाई वाई, तो dy बाई डी एक्स को हम कैसे लिखते हैं, एफ डैश एक्स। तो हमने फर्स्ट फंक्शन को u मान लिया, इसको ऐसे रहने दिया। डिफ्रेंशिएशन ऑफ x माइनस टू का होल स्क्वायर, तो देखो डिफ्रेंशिएशन ऑफ x माइनस टू स्क्वायर इज 2 इंटू एक्स माइनस टू पावर 2 माइनस 1। x माइनस टू का होल स्क्वायर अगर ये y है तो dy बाई डी एक्स कितना होगा, ये पावर इधर आएगा, कोफिशिएंट बन जाता है x माइनस टू 2 माइनस 1 मीन्स 1, एंड x माइनस टू है तो x माइनस टू में इसका डिफ्रेंशिएशन 1 होता है। ओके, सो ये टर्म ओके। सेकेंड फंक्शन को कांस्टेंट रखा, दिस इज v एंड डिफ्रेंशिएशन ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर इज 2x, बस उसको सिंप्लीफाई किया। तो इसको हमने क्या देखा कि दिस इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ x माइनस टू कॉमन ले लेते हैं, सो x 2x x माइनस टू 2x माइनस टू, तो 2 एक कॉमन चले गया, तो 4x x माइनस टू x माइनस 1। ओके, तो x का इस इक्वेशन में है ना, अगर ये एफ डैश एक्स का वैल्यू है तो इसमें से ये ग्रेटर देन 0, सिंस एफ डैश इज इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन, सो एफ डैश एक्स dy बाई डी एक्स दिस मस्ट बी ग्रेटर देन 0। अगर ये ग्रेटर देन 0 होना है तो हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा, देखो इंटायर टर्म इज ग्रेटर देन 0 ना, तो इसका मतलब x जो है ना इट शुड बी ग्रेटर देन 0 एंड लेस देन 1 होना चाहिए, है ना। तो ये दोनों नेगेटिव होगा, अगर x का वैल्यू ग्रेटर देन 0 है बट लेस देन 1 है तो दोनों नेगेटिव आएगा एंड दोनों का प्रोडक्ट फिर होगा, या फिर x का वैल्यू 2 से ज़्यादा होना चाहिए। x का वैल्यू अगर 2 मान लो 3 है x का वैल्यू, तो भी ये ऑल द टर्म्स ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन आर पॉजिटिव, तो ग्रेटर देन 0 होगा। या फिर अगर x का वैल्यू इन बिटवीन 0 एंड 1 है तो ये नेगेटिव है, ये नेगेटिव है, दोनों फंक्शन को प्रोडक्ट करने से पॉजिटिव होगा। तो हियर फ्रॉम दिस इक्वेशन वी फाइंड दैट x का रिलेशन 0 1, x इज द एलिमेंट ऑफ 0 1 एंड 2 से ज़्यादा होना चाहिए, 2 से ज़्यादा कुछ भी हो सकता है इन्फिनिटी। सो देयरफॉर the values of x is this, है ना, 0 से ज़्यादा होगा, 1 से कम होगा, यूनियन 2 से ज़्यादा होगा, कितना तक, इनफाइनाइट तक। तो ये अच्छा क्वेश्चन था। नाउ विल डू इन माई थर्ड क्लास 3 में बाकी सॉल्व करेंगे।